Hello traders and welcome back to another video on the Alert to Trade channel. I'm sorry, my name is Orlando and we're going to talk about a massive opportunity in the Japanese yen. But before we go any further, if you want to receive my VIP trades and trade with me, all you need to do is click the link below this video to subscribe to the VIP channel. Use the code 21OFF to get 21% off of your subscription. And this is a clear example of what you get. For example, here you had this play on a possible flag breakout in Bitcoin. I'm talking about this flag that just broke out, right, in Bitcoin. Here is my trade in Bitcoin. And yeah, every VIP trade is sent to my VIP, so you are missing out. Don't forget the link below this video with code 21OFF to get 21% off of your subscription. Now let's get into this video. I'm talking about the Japanese yen in this video. Now the reason that I'm talking about the Japanese yen is because I have been waiting for this exact setup patiently for the past 2 weeks or so. If you remember, I am very long the pound yen on a breakout of the Japanese yen on this bearish move where we saw the Japanese yen depreciate about 4.70% from the breakouts to this week's lows or last week's lows. I'm sorry. Now, I'm still holding my short positions and building a new short position on the yen, whilst the yen was trading up. Why? Why? This seems counterintuitive if we are looking at a short-term bullish trend, right? Well, my friends, the reason that I'm looking at a possible new short leg on the Japanese yen is because of this. We are looking at a flag on the Japanese yen. This is Japanese yen basket, much more like the DXY for the Japanese yen. So we're looking at a flag formation. Every time the Japanese yen has flagged, we have seen this kind of breakout. Now, this is a daily chart. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. We are in a massive bearish market on the Japanese yen, and we continue to be so. Now, the reason that I like this formation is that because we are retesting May 21st and May 28th lows, the level that was broken with on the past or on the last leg down. Now, if we go to the 4-hour chart, right, this is the 4-hour chart. Now you can see that we are clearly retesting these lows whilst printing a flag. So what is my game plan here? Now let's start by drawing the actual pattern that I am about to trade, and I'll show you in the TV, right? Liquidity split. So basically, this is the flag that I'm playing on the Japanese yen. Now, for it to be a new leg down, we need to see these lows or today's lows. I reckon that these are today's or Sunday's lows to break, right? Now these are Sunday's lows. Well, we need these lows to break, right? And if you notice, within this flag, we also are seeing um, quite the flat. We were seeing quite the flat bottoms, right? The flat tops. I'm sorry, which meant that this spike to the upside is clearly just a retest of this level. Now, I'm not saying that we're going to go down from this level, no, but we need to be careful to not miss the boat on the next leg down on the Japanese yen. Right. So what we're going to do here, we are going to start placing buy orders, and the first buy order that I'm looking to place is right now on the pound yen. Now, why am I looking at the pound yen? Because we are retesting these previous broken highs, right? Massive level on the pound yen after a big rally. We're talking about a 6% rally from from October's lows to October's highs, right? We are in November right now, and we can clearly see that this move to the downside is a pullback. So, ratio-wise, we can see that we have hit a 38.2% pullback of the entire October range. That's one. Then we have hit the 161.8 of the first leg down. That's a number two. And every time that we move to the upside on a little spike, we are pulling back about 76.4, I reckon exactly 76.4. I'll show you on the other spike down. Same ratios, same pullbacks, and now we have hit that 161.8, and we have cleared and of course, we have seen the stop losses of very weak longs from the 156. So I do like this setup. Now, let's have a look at what's going on the hourly. Now, on the hourly, what I would like to see is the price clearing the 156, right? I'm going to start to put on a mild position here, just a started position, right? And this is all going to be updated on the Swing Trade VIP. If you want in on the Swing Trade VIP group, of course, that the link is the same below this video. So I would love to see price clearing that 156, which are May 28 highs, the very, very highs of May 28th. Now, what I also like about this move is that we are clearly in a reversal pattern right at a very key level. Now, of course, that we are not out of the woods just yet because the moves to the downsides have been strong. But what I would want to see here is clearly a just a move above the 156, and here is where I will be adding to my long position, right? And here is where I'll add on the full amount of my position. This will be just the starting position. So yeah, I mean this is my trade idea: short Japanese yen by buying again the pound yen on a very very clear setup. This is the kind of stuff that we do on the VIP channel. So if you want that, mates, just click the link below this video and use code 21 off to get 21 off of your monthly subscription. You can subscribe either to the VIP channel or to the swing trading VIP channel where this trade is going to be sent.